Hi, we are the Smooth Operators and this is our final video.
All we have left to do is create our water guns and mount a nozzle to the gun to reduce water flow and make it shoot more accurate into the pipes.
Last time you saw us, we didn't have any of the drain or anything hooked up. All we had was these tubes right here and the base and everything built. We put a table under it and we got all the drain and everything hooked up. We got the PLC mounted.
Alright, so here's our PLC box. Inside you see our PLC is mounted. We have the cords running all out there. It's mainly operated by these two buttons. This is your drain and this is our game reset button. The other buttons on the front are used for the guns to shoot the water. So whenever you want to start the game, you'll plug the PLC in, you'll flip the breaker on and you'll press OK, which will start the program in its loop. Once you pull the triggers, it'll fill up these tubes and one of the float switches will go off and this light will turn on or that light will turn on depending on who won. After that, you will press the drain button and it will activate this valve down here which will drain the water. Once the water is drained, you will hit this green button which will reset the lights and will close the valve on the drain, ending the game and getting ready for the next game.
Due to silicone drying and delay of guns, we can't actually demonstrate the game for you, but we can show you guys how it works. So when the actual winner is declared, the light will go off. And that would be the declared winner. To drain it, we will press this button to drain the water. After the water is drained, we will press this button to reset and the light will go off.
Alright, so a few issues we ran into is we actually had a couple leaks in our silicone around this drain and around this back piece. So we had to pop up this piece of Lexan and dry out from under it because there's standing water under it. And after we got it dried, we went around and we re-siliconed and we're gonna have to be safe, we're gonna re-silicone again just so there is no leaks. Another problem we ran into is our pump was actually not putting up enough pressure to shoot a constant stream. So we turned up the backflow pressure on our pump and we are reducing the flow from the pipes with nozzles, and that should get us enough pressure to shoot a constant stream into both of these at the same time at a constant speed.